equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Changing the battery on your Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner is a straightforward process that can significantly extend the life of your device. In this tutorial, we will guide you through each step, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to complete the task efficiently. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for any dust removal. Make sure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged from the charger before you begin. Start by locating the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button to detach the battery from the main body. If you find it difficult to press, a flathead screwdriver can help gently pry it off without damaging the casing. Once the battery is removed, take a moment to clean the battery compartment. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This step is crucial as it ensures a good connection for the new battery. Now, let's prepare to install the new battery. Align the new battery with the connectors in the compartment. It should slide in smoothly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about the hassle. After the battery is in place, secure it by pressing down until you hear a click. This indicates that the battery is locked in position. Next, use your Phillips head screwdriver to replace the screws that hold the battery cover in place. Make sure they are tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. Once the screws are secure, it's time to test your vacuum. Plug it back into the charger and allow it to charge for a few hours. After charging, turn on your Dyson V8 to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any pressure. If everything is working well, congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery on your Dyson V8. Regular maintenance like this can help prolong the life of your vacuum and keep it performing at its best. For those who prefer not to tackle this task themselves, we also offer a quote before repair service, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with our no calls, no travel policy, you can have your vacuum serviced without leaving your home. In summary, changing the battery on your Dyson V8 is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can keep your vacuum running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.